Yes. Science Study Center, dictation 80 word to 100 word per minute. Legal dictation. Start. Advent of freedom and promulgation of Constitution have made drastic changes in the administration of justice, necessitating new judicial approach. Stop. The Constitution has assigned a new role to the constitutional courts to ensure rule of law in the country. Stop. These changes have brought new perceptions. Stop. In interpreting the Constitution, we must have regard to the social, economic, and political changes, need of the community, and the independence of judiciary. Stop. The court cannot be a helpless spectator bound by precedents of colonial days which have lost relevance. Stop. Time has come to have a fresh look at the old precedents and to lay down law with the changed perceptions, keeping in view the provisions of the Constitution. Stop. Law, to use the words of Lord Coleridge, grows, and though the principles of law remain unchanged, yet their application is to be changed with the changing circumstances of the time. Stop. The considerations which weighed with the federal court in rendering its decision in Guava versus Honorable the Chief Justice and Judges of the High Court of Judicature at Lahore, and the case are no more relevant in the context of the constitutional provisions. Stop. Para. Since this court has power of judicial superintendence and control over all the courts and tribunals functioning in the entire territory of the country, it has a corresponding duty to protect and safeguards the interest of inferior courts, to ensure the flow of the stream of justice in the courts without any interference or attack from any quarter. Stop. The subordinate and inferior courts do not have adequate power under the law to protect themselves. Therefore, it is necessary that this court should protect them. Stop. Under the constitutional scheme, this court has a special role in the administration of justice, and the powers conferred on it under Articles 32, 136, 141, and 142 form part of the basic structure of the Constitution. Stop. The amplitude of the power of this court under these articles of the Constitution cannot be curtailed by law made by central or state legislature. Stop. If the contention raised on behalf of the contemners is accepted, the courts all over India will have no protection from this court. Stop. No doubt, high courts have power to persist for the contempt of subordinate courts, but that does not affect or abridge the inherent power of this court under Article 129. Stop. Para. The Supreme Court and the High Courts both exercise concurrent jurisdiction under the constitutional scheme in matters relating to fundamental rights under Article 32 and 226 of the Constitution. Therefore, this court's jurisdiction and power to take action for contempt of subordinate courts would not be inconsistent to any constitutional scheme. Stop. There may be occasions when attack on judges and magistrates of subordinate courts may have wide repercussions throughout the country. In that situation, it may not be possible for a high court to contain the same, as a result of which the administration of justice in the country may be paralyzed. In that situation, the apex court must intervene to ensure smooth functioning of courts. Stop. The apex court is duty bound to take effective steps within the constitutional provisions to ensure a free and fair administration of justice throughout the country. For that purpose, it must wade the requisite power to take action for contempt of subordinate courts. Stop. Ordinarily, the High Court would protect the subordinate court. Stop. मैंने कहा था चुप रहो, बोल ली गई.